Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a balloon, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a circle here. And the line. Now draw the ribbons. Two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. Here also. Inside with lines. And the mouth. Now we have a cute balloon. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.